Good evening, everybody. Jack here from 9 to 5, and welcome back to my options trading journey. So it's been a long time since I've posted a video about trading options, and the reason for that are many. I got busy with life, having a third child and all of that, and keeping up with the day job as well as trading the markets during the day just wasn't in the plans. And at the same time, for those of you who have been watching some of my recent videos, you'll know I've been kind of getting into some internet marketing as well, helping my wife grow her blog and business, and kind of doing some of the geekery behind that. But I've gotten most of that on autopilot, so I wanted to go ahead and just make a very quick video to explain to you that I'm back into options trading. And if you had followed me in the past, you know I started openly trading with my $10,000 account. And because I felt so bad for you all that I took so much time off, I decided to go ahead and up the ante, and I've now funded my options trading account with $25,000. And so that happened earlier this week, and I've just now been able to put in a few trades. And one of the big differences in my strategy from when I first started trading was I was extremely hesitant to do undefined risk trades, and I kind of freaked out on a few of them when they first went through. But now that we have a little bit more money, it makes a bit more sense to be able to have some undefined risk trades in there. I really want to test out a strategy that I think will be effective long term for those of us that honestly have more money than time. Those that want kind of a bit of a more hands-off method, or at least not hands-off, but in terms of not having to have so much discretion and so much watching the markets like a hawk. Being able to check into this strangle strategy that I'll cover in a bit more depth in a later video should have the benefit of having very mechanical ways of adjusting the trades as they start to go against me. But as you can see here, of my 3 trades I placed this week, they are all delta neutral strangles, which means that I am definitely picking up a high amount of theta, which is time decay. So I'm hoping for the positions to not make any major moves in that time. But the beauty of having strangles versus iron condors as their defined risk counterpart is that if I do get my strikes tested either to the call side or to the put side, I have many more tools in my tool belt to be able to combat that movement in the underlying stock. So just a super quick video I wanted to put out there because I know that I received a ton of feedback, and I really appreciate all the comments and emails I received of those saying, hey, have you quit options trading? Or, I'm enjoying this new material, but also I really originally signed up and subscribed to kind of watch your options trading journey. So I want to make this quick video to tell you that I am officially back, and more to come on this. I intend to release at least one video a week, kind of just documenting my progress. And I look forward to kind of connecting with you guys. Please leave a comment below if you're excited to be able to go on this trading journey with me again, and expect to hear a lot more from me. I'm enjoying this. It's something that I've missed in the time that I've been away. And I'm excited to be back for it. So what you can see here is I'm still using the web version of the platform. I've been poking around with the newer version, and while it does look much more powerful, I just haven't really had the repetitions under it. Additionally, my firewall at work blocks the feed there. So I have the option of trading mobile or trading on the web platform. So one thing I want to ask you guys, and leave in the comments below here, is that I have the ability to email out kind of real time if I'm making a trade, be able to let you know about what trade I'm doing and kind of the quick rationale of why I'm doing that. So if you'd like to get a part of that, go ahead and just leave a comment below. I will send out in a future video if it seems like there's some traction to it, how to get involved and how to do that. But until then, let's just continue trading. I will show you very briefly, since we're about at 4 minutes in right now. I am going to be keeping a very kind of low-key style to this. What I want to be able to do is look at the big guys, kind of the big diversified ETFs, SPY, TLT, GLD, kind of the big ones, because I know that trading individual stocks is really difficult if you're not able to kind of keep a watch on them. And for example, I give a lot of presentations at work. I'm in a lot of meetings. So always being able to, respond to an alert if an alert comes out, that's just not possible. So I'm calling this kind of my Big 10, although I think I added an 11th into it, so I'll need to rename that watch list. But yeah, that's kind of the beginning of it. I'll make a future video that kind of goes through the nuts and bolts of this strategy, and I'm really excited for it. I look forward to tweaking it and getting it better. Obviously, having been off for a little while, I'll need to kind of dial in my mindset, dial in my discipline, and dial in my all my memory about the Greeks and how they all work together. So just want to cut this quick video out there and say that I appreciate all the comments for those of you that said, this 9to5, which is still the brand that I'll be pursuing because I like it more. Yeah, that's why I joined. So here I am. I'm back. I'm looking forward to trading with you guys, and yeah, catch you in the next video.